A little bit shy. My goodness. It's been too long that I don't sing that song. It's for you, Midnight, as you wish. Commander ni Rickman. Nandito pa tayo sa premiere ni Rickman. Ang layo na narating. Still here watching. I'm 43 on Friday. Mades, I'm getting old. Oh, you're 43. Happy birthday on Friday. So, can I sing a song for you in advance? I wish you all the best and happy birthday in advance. You can visit me on Friday so that I can sing a song for you. Do you have your do you have your live stream on Friday? It's 43 is not old. I'm older than you. I'm 48. It's not very old. It's in the middle. It's a middle. It's a middle age. It's not very getting old. I'm older than you. 5 years ago. So happy birthday. Hope you have a great day on Friday. Wish you all the best and happiness. And I hope you found the happiness in your life. I'm working Friday, but night do a stream yards on Saturday. You can come and sing if you like. I'm up. I'm a little bit shy. I'm shy to your group. Siyempre, it's your group, so I'm very shy. So it's very early to sing your song. This to sing a happy birthday song for you. It's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So 2 days more. By the way, I wish you all the best. More birthdays to come and enjoy your day with your family, friends in YT, friends in real life, and to your someone. Oy, to your very someone special. Siyempre, I know. Enjoy the day. Yes, especially good health. That's the very important, no? Your health. Just take care of yourself. And wish you all the best. Happy birthday in advance from a Discarding Nanay 19. Thank you for treating me as your friend in Whitey World Midnight. And thank you for sharing always your blessing to me. Have a great day. And thank you for visiting me once again. It's over. Tapos na ba? Baka iba na to ano. Hindi pa tapos si Rickman. Mayroong last shatter ito, di ba? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. I will be the one to sing you advance. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Midnight. Happy birthday to you. You want a song? Happy birthday. Happy birthday. I'll be the one to greet you in early. Happy birthday. This is for you. Never mind the numbers. It's just the number. You feel like 25. Yes, that'd be nice. Okay, traditional. Happy birthday to you. This is for you, Midnight. Advance happy birthday on Friday. Happy birthday to you. Everybody sing to Midnight. Happy birthday